So how do you fix the Messenger auto logout problem? I'm going to show you real working methods, and the third method is something most people won't tell you, but it actually works. Let's get started. Step 1, we will fix account session corruption, which is the most common problem. For this, open the Facebook app, not the Messenger app. Then tap the 3 lines menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then open Settings. Now go to Account Center. After that, open Password and Security. Now tap on where you're logged in. From here, log out of all devices, then log back in only on your main phone. Yes, this can fix it if the issue is a session conflict. If this solves your problem, then issue was on the account side, not the app. If it doesn't work, continue to the next method. For this step, go to your phone settings. Then scroll down and open Apps. Now search for Facebook and open it. Go to Storage. First clear the cache, then clear the data. Yes, this can fix it if logout is happening because of corrupted app data or broken session files. Now do the same for Messenger, clear cache and then clear data. After this, restart your phone before logging in again. After restart, log in. If the problem still happens, then next step is very important, so make sure you try it. For this step, go to Apps again. Open Facebook App Info and find the battery option. Set it to unrestricted. This can fix it if logout is happening because battery optimization is closing Messenger sessions. Now do the same for Messenger. Go to App Info, open battery settings, and select unrestricted. If you skip this, logout problem can keep coming back. After this, try again. If you still face logout issues, don't skip the last method. First, uninstall Facebook, then uninstall Messenger. After that, restart your phone. Then install Facebook first and log in, then install Messenger and log in. If you still face any problem, share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.